Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to look at our 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. As you can see, this boat has the black hull. As we walk around and check out how we've equipped this boat power-wise, we've set it up with the Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke. Across the swim platform you have the sea deck matting, the ski pylon at the transom. Underneath the sun pad you have a tremendous amount of storage. Nice full wraparound seating. Flip up bolster at the captain's chair. Have a 5-inch Simrad GPS and chart plotter flush mounted into the dash. We've upgraded the carpet with the Infinity woven carpet liner. Wraparound seating in the bow of the boat with loungers port and starboard side. We do have the Fusion stereo with 4 speakers in this boat. And the boat is equipped with the bimini top. That's a quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach to see it in person, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.